Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about the widgets and the type of widgets. What is really a widget? Those who are coming from the Android development, so everything in the Android was a view. So in here everything is a widget. When we are building an app, so we are building app with widgets. A widget is either stateful or stateless. If a widget can change when a user interacts with it, it is stateful. A stateless widget never changes its state, like icon, button, and text are example of stateless widget. A stateful widget is dynamic. For example, it can change its appearance in response to event triggered by user interaction, or when it receives a data like checkbox, radio, slider, inkwell, forms, and text field are example of stateful widgets. So let's see in the real app what are these widgets. Here is an application. You can see the title bar or the app bar. Here is the main page and a text field and a number that we can, by clicking this button, it will increase. So what is stateful or stateless widget in this app? When we are coming to this top title bar or app bar, this home is a text. It is example of stateless widgets because it never changes when we interact with it. When we are coming inside this page, this is also a text that by user interaction we cannot change it. It cannot be changed. So it is also an stateless widget. This number, when we interact with this button, this number is changing its state. For example, when I'm clicking in here, 1, 2, 3, so it is changing. It means it is a stateful widget. So now we understand that what is stateful widget and what is stateless widgets, and how we can use them, and where we need stateless and where we need to use stateful widgets. So thank you guys. See you on the next video.